Okay, everybody, this video is to inform you of a offer we are giving to former members. And when I say former members, what I'm referring to is people who used to be a full member and no longer are a full member because they canceled or expired, which means nobody that was a former 30 for 30 or former Groupon, former FBK, TBT, none of those people are included in this former member email list I'm talking about. In addition, the only people on this former member list are going to be what I call legacy members, people that were members back when our pricing was $79, $89, and $99 a month. Nobody is getting this offer if they're a former member that was paying, $129. So this is going back to our older members. What we are offering is an opportunity for all those former members, legacy members only, an opportunity to come back in for 30 days for free. So they're going to be getting an email saying, hey, come back, we love you, we miss you, 30 days for free on us, see if we can help you reestablish a healthy habit. So that's the offer to bring them in. Once they get into the club, we're going to offer them the option of rejoining at their old rate. So some of these people used to be paying 89 bucks a month, for example, and so they will have an opportunity to join at their old rate. They can either choose to, one, join for just for 30 days for free, and then at the end of 30 days they can decide if they want to continue their membership at the then current prices, $129 a month, $199 a month for Plus Limited, or they can, on day one when they show up to restart their 30 days free, they can decide at that time to rejoin at their old rate. So the only thing we would need from them in return is a commitment for 4 months. The first month would be free. In other words, it would look like this. Month 1 is free. Month 2, 3, and 4, they would be paying $89 a month if that's what their former rate was, or if their former rate was $99, it'd be $99 a month. And they would be locked into those first 3 payments. Once they pay us 3 times, then they are effectively on a month-to-month membership going on forever for, whatever price their old price was. So let's say you get an email in response to our email blast that says, hey, yeah, I'm interested. I'd love to come back for 30 days for free. You say, okay, great. You schedule a time for them to come in and you put them on your club calendar as legacy member. So that legacy member would come in, and we created a sheet that all you need to do is hand to them after a brief discussion of, hey, how's it going? Good to see you back. And that sheet is going to lay out the offer exactly the way I explained it to you, very, very clearly. And at the end of reading the letter, they're going to check a box that tells you if they'd like to take us up on the offer, or if they would just prefer to do the 30 days for free to see if they can, get back into it.
And one more thing I forgot to mention is that when you see someone on the calendar to come in for the legacy member appointment, you would print out one of these forms and you would write their name in the blank at the top, and then as well you would write in the membership rate that they had formerly in the blank you see here. So when you hand it to the member or the legacy member, those 2 blanks would be filled in, and all they would have to do is check the appropriate box and sign and date. If there's someone on the calendar called a legacy member and you're preparing for them to come in for their appointment, you would go into their account and you would go to their membership tab and you would view all contracts. And to determine what they were paying when they used to be a member, you would look at their most recent membership, and you see here it says annual 89. And it's important to not just see that and write 89 in the blank. What you really need to do is come over here and see contract value and look at this number right here, because that number is actually telling you what the monthly billing number is. See, 79 times 12 months. And the reason why this is important is because we have situations where it shows annual 89 and it shows 79 over here, or we have situations where it actually says Cocoa Unlimited 129, but over here it says 99. So that's why that is important to look at this number right there. Okay, so let's say they decide to take us up on the offer. We would create a new membership, Cocoa Unlimited 129. All right, and then you would modify the membership fee, and you would plug in the membership fee that they were paying when they used to be a member. Could be 89, could be 99, could be 109. Just look in their invoices and see what their most recent payments were. And then, of course, zero out the initiation fee. And then once you've done those two things, you would add to cart, and that's how you would create it. And then after you do that, of course, you would go in and reverse the first month's payment the same way you do when you are signing someone up at the 15-day mark of the trial, for example. So that's how we would give them a free month at the beginning. Yeah, if they don't take it, you would just create a 30 days for $30 membership and just zero out the membership fee. And that's it.